Since its inception in 2003, the department has been committed to produce graduates who are intellectually sound, ethically grounded, and professionally adept. We have a multidisciplinary, need-based approach with a balanced integration between language and literature. In line with the rapidly evolving field of English studies, we have incorporated into our syllabus various contemporary global issues like migration studies, refugee problems, environmental and climate change, to name a few. Thus, a degree in English from Eastern University opens up multifaceted career opportunities both at home and abroad. Besides academic instructions, the department also hosts Eastern University English Club, which regularly organizes workshops, grooming sessions, teachers' talk, literary adda, speech weavers, which promote students' communication skills, boost their self-confidence, and give a collaborative learning environment.
There's a common misconception that studying English is just about literature or poetry. But at Eastern University, it's much more dynamic and career-oriented. Our curriculums include communication, studying media, and creative writing, all of which prepare us for a wide range of modern professions. The classes here are interactive, the teachers are very welcoming and friendly, and they strongly focus on collaboration through group work and presentation. What I personally appreciate most about Eastern University is its vibrant campus environment, aesthetic view, and reliable free transport that truly enhances student life. At Eastern University, I'm not just gaining academic knowledge, but also acquiring practical skills and a lifestyle that will help me succeed in the real world.
So, when are you joining us? Let us help you bring out your best at Eastern. Thank you.